A plane was scheduled to take off towards Colorado. Unexpectedly, a beautiful woman traveler from economy class stands up, walks over to first class, and takes a seat. The flight attendant comes and demands her ticket. It turns out that she has an economy class ticket and she hasn't paid for the first class luxury. The flight attendant tells the woman that she must vacate the seat and return to her own. But the white woman refuses, saying, "No, I am beautiful, and I will fly to Colorado in first class." The flight attendant reports this to the pilot and co-pilot. She tells them that this woman has paid for economy class and is not moving. The co-pilot goes in the first class section and tells the lady that since she purchased a ticket for economy class, she must leave and go back to her seat. The proud woman replies, "I am beautiful and I will go to Colorado in the first class section and I'll stay right here." This irritated the co-pilot. He went to the pilot and complained to him about how obstinate this woman was. The pilot was very smart. He went to the white woman and whispered in her ear, "This flight is not going to Colorado. You'll have to leave and wait for your flight." The white woman gets up and leaves the plane. The pilot and the co-pilot smile and take off. While the pretentious lady discovered that this aeroplane was headed to Colorado and the pilot tricked her. She will have to wait for the following flight. The proud white woman got what she deserved. After that, she never tried to act oversmart.